Most people who want to start a business never actually do it. Not because they lack money or skills, but because they have no idea where to begin. If that sounds like you right now, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, everything is about to change. I am going to walk you through 20 of the best small business ideas for beginners in 2026. By the time we're done, you'll have a clear direction, a realistic path forward, and zero excuses left. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, here's the most important thing to understand about starting small. The whole point of a small business is to keep your costs low in the beginning and grow from the profit you generate. The worst mistake beginners make is overspending before they've made a single dollar. Keep that principle in mind as we go through this list. Number 1. A yoga center, health, and wellness is exploding in 2026, and people are actively looking for ways to stay fit and reduce stress. Starting a yoga studio, even a small one, puts you right in the middle of a market that keeps growing. Number 2. Catering services. If you love cooking and you're good at it, catering for events, parties, and corporate functions is a business you can start with relatively low overhead. Word of mouth spreads fast in this industry. Number 3. A travel agency. People will never stop traveling. Whether it's family vacations, business trips, or adventure tourism, helping people plan and book travel experiences is a business with serious staying power. Number 4. A fast food shop. Quality, affordable food is always in demand. Find a busy location, keep your menu tight, and focus on consistency. Simple, proven, effective. Number 5. A chocolate cafe. Yes, this is a real thing, and it makes real money. Specialty chocolate experiences attract customers who are willing to spend. It's a fun business that almost markets itself. Number 6. Fitness programs. You don't need a full gym to run a fitness business. Offering structured fitness courses, either in person or online, is one of the most accessible ways to turn your knowledge into income. Number 7. One-product restaurants. This is a concept that sounds unusual but has made millions for entrepreneurs worldwide. Pick one type of food, master it completely, and build your entire brand around it. Specialization beats generalization almost every time. Number 8. Hosted security provider. Businesses need their websites protected from hackers, spyware, and viruses. If you have any tech background at all, getting paid to keep websites secure is a high-value service with strong recurring income potential. Number 9. Data backup services. Every business has data they cannot afford to lose. Offering reliable backup solutions is a behind-the-scenes service that companies will pay for consistently. Number 10. Surveillance camera installation and sales. Security cameras are no longer a luxury. Every business, every property, every neighborhood wants them. This is a market that's only getting bigger. Number 11. A massage business. Wellness services have seen a massive surge in demand with proper certification. Starting a massage practice requires minimal startup cost and can build a loyal client base quickly. Number 12. Home improvement and handyman services. Reliable tradespeople are genuinely hard to find. If you have practical skills, there's consistent demand and the ability to scale by bringing in additional help as you grow. Number 13. Children's educational programs. Parents are always searching for quality educational experiences for their kids. Tutoring, after-school programs, and enrichment classes are businesses that make a real difference while generating steady income. Number 14. Software and app development. If you have coding skills, the demand for custom software solutions has never been higher. Businesses of every size need digital tools, and developers who can deliver them are extremely valuable. Number 15. Consulting services. This one is powerful because it leverages what you already know. If you have years of experience in any industry, that expertise is worth money to others. You can expand your services over time and even learn from different client industries along the way. Number 16. Selling car and machinery spare parts. Vehicles and equipment break down constantly. Being the reliable supplier of parts, either through a physical location or an online store, keeps customers coming back. Number 17. Professional car washing. This works especially well in larger cities where people own nicer vehicles and genuinely value their appearance. A mobile car wash setup can keep your startup costs incredibly low. Number 18. Internet connection provider. In areas where affordable, fast internet is limited, providing that service at competitive rates solves a real problem. Infrastructure-focused businesses like this can build a very stable subscriber base over time. Number 19. a furniture business, by partnering with skilled carpenters or manufacturers. You can build a furniture business without needing to be a craftsman yourself. Focus on sourcing, marketing, and sales while the production side is handled. Number 20. Pure water production and distribution. Clean drinking water is a fundamental need. Producing and selling bagged, sachet, or bottled water, particularly in areas with high demand, is a business model that works across a wide range of markets. Now, here's what I want you to take away from all of this. There is no single perfect business idea. The best business for you is the one that aligns with your existing skills, your available resources, and the actual needs of people around you. Pick one idea from this list that genuinely excites you, do your research, start small, and commit to learning as you grow. The internet is also an incredible resource right now. There are government websites, entrepreneur communities, and free tools that can help you turn any of these ideas into a real business. You don't have to figure it all out alone. Drop a comment below and tell me which idea from this list you're most interested in pursuing. Your comment might just inspire someone else who is watching right now and trying to find their own starting point. If this video helped you see things more clearly, share it with someone who's on the fence about starting their business journey, and make sure you subscribe, because we're dropping more content exactly like this every single week. Thanks for watching.